Wagwan YouTube, and welcome to my channel Sammy J Cooks. If you enjoy my videos and you like the recipes, please ensure to like, comment, subscribe and share. Today I'm going to give you another one of my lip smacking recipes. This one is for curry goat. All the ingredients are in the description below, and again, my curry goat never disappoints, only compliments around here. So we're going to clean up our goat. So you're going to squeeze your lemon or your lime and squeeze it all over, because we're going to give it a good wash, and we're going to sprinkle our vinegar over it as well and run your water over it and keep washing and turning. We're picking off all the fat off of each piece. And you see all that white stuff? That's what you want to get off of your meat. That's why you have to clean it up and wash it off. And you keep rinsing to continue to get all that white stuff off. And now our meat is ready, prepped for seasoning. We're going to pour over our all-purpose seasoning. And then our vegetable seasoning. Sprinkle that over. I was just checking to see if it was enough, but yeah, we're going to use everything. And then we're going to sprinkle our curry powder. Generously get that all over. And then we're going to go in with our onion granules, and then some black pepper, and then some garlic granules, and then some parsley, and we sprinkle that over. And now we're gonna grind our pimento seeds. I've got whole pimento seeds, but I'm just crushing them. You can put whole ones in if you want to. I liked mine crushed, or you can use ground one. If you've got ground one, you can use like a teaspoon of ground. And then we're going to chop up our vegetables. So we're chopping some onions, and you can chop your onions how you like them. If you want them cubed or chopped really small, you can do that. And we're going to chop all of our sweet peppers. And I'm chopping those small to a size that I prefer. And keep slicing, and then we're going to chop them a bit smaller. And the same with the red one. And we just used 1/4 of each sweet pepper. And then we're going to go in with our spring onion or scallion. Chopping that small as well. And then we're going to chuck everything into the bowl on top of our meat. And now I'm just grating the garlic. So if you want, you can chop your garlic. I like to grate my garlic because I feel it brings out the flavor of the garlic in the food a bit better than just having it chopped. So I grate it. And the same with the ginger, I grate that as well, and it also prevents having big chunks of like garlic and ginger floating around in the food. So we're going to leave the rest of that ginger to go in the pot, and now we're just going to mix everything together. You're going to massage your seasoning in, make sure you're rubbing it in good and well. Keep massaging that seasoning in because we want it to get into the meat as much as possible. Keep stirring and keep turning it over and rubbing it and massaging it in. Now that's done all nicely. If you want, the best thing to do is do it the night before and let it stay in the fridge overnight. But obviously if you don't have time, you just season your meat and probably put it in there for about half an hour. And here we go. We're going to put a tablespoon of coconut oil. And yes, people, I got a new Dutch pot. The new Dutch pot has arrived. And then I'm adding a bit of rapeseed oil. So I mix both oils. You can use whatever other oil you choose. And then I add my ginger that was left over from before. And then I'm going to add curry powder. And just a little bit more coconut oil, because I felt it wasn't enough. And we're just going to cook up the curry a bit, just for a minute or two. Cook up the curry and the ginger. The ginger will flavor the oil, and then we start adding our meat. And I'm spooning it in because I don't want all of the seasoning to go into the pot whilst I'm frying up the meat. And we keep spooning and spooning it in gradually. And then we keep mixing it up, stirring it around, frying it up on a high heat. Oh, I made a bit of a spill there with my rigorous stirring. Yep, and we're just gonna let that cook down slowly so it can spring its own liquid. And there we have it. And we're gonna put some warm water with the rest of the seasoning from the bowl, and you pour that into the pot. You add your thyme and your Scotch bonnet, tablespoon of butter, and some coconut powder. That's about a tablespoon and a half of coconut powder. No, maybe about a heaped spoon of coconut powder. And then we stir that all in, and then we cover it up. You let it cook for about 2 hours on a medium to low heat. Once your meat is soft, you put in your chopped up potato and carrots, stir that around and let it cook for another 5 to 8 minutes for the carrots and potatoes to soften. And there you have your curry goat, nice cooked up. And there you go, there's your curry goat with your side of rice and peas, homemade coleslaw, fried plantain, tasty, delicious. All the ingredients are in the description below. So please ensure to like, comment, subscribe and share, and hit the bell for notifications of more recipes from Sammy J Cooks. Give the recipes a try and tell me what you think. Bye.